This is a simple forest scene. Let's add some volumetrics. Go to add, then cube. Scale the cube to fill the entire scene. Go to object property, then viewport display and change it to bounce. Go to shading tab, then create new. Delete principled BSDF. Now search for principled volume. Now connect volume to volume. Now change density and color to match your scene. This is another scene to show you the power of volumetrics.